Some products may have different variations, such as clothing in different sizes. To edit and add variations to the product, click on the Edit Variations button. In the Variations window, click on Add Variation. Type in the type of variation. In this example, we will use size. Then click on the plus icon. Next to the variation, type in the different sizes. And separate each variation with a comma. Click on the Advanced setting to add different prices per item. Add availability and weight if there is a difference in each variation. Click on the image icon to add images for each variation. To delete a variation, click on the dustbin icon and then click on Yes.